Hi, I'm going to teach you how to make these designer boots today. I've recently moved to London and I got inspired by the lovely boots that people wear here. They're so pretty. And my favorite is this baby booty here. And this is what we're going to make today. We can use it in many ways. One of it is the chocolates that I've kept here. So what you can do is you can just wrap it up in cling and put it inside like that. Or you can also make taller boots, and I've wrapped up some candies like this so you can make party goodies. You can also use it for wrapping up a bottle like that one. Let's get started. We are trying to make this one. I'm going to use a blue paper this time. These are nothing but cotton wipes. This is a strip of cotton from the roll. I cut out a strip. So similarly, I'm going to use a broader strip this time. And instead of the woolen string, I'm going to use ribbon this time. Okay, so I've fixed one end of it. And because I don't know how long I need this, so we are going to tie it up and then fix the other end, and I'll show you how I've fixed it at that time. And the size of the paper has to be such that if I'm using this cup for inserting, then it has to be as wide as it requires to cover the cup. So just check the circumference. It has to be that wide. And this portion is as tall as you want the boot to be. Okay, so as we make it, you will understand better. So what I need to do is, this one is already a square. You don't need a square, but you need to fold slightly less than that. So I've made a marking here. So here's where the square is, slightly less than that. Fold it this way. So I always like to use a scoring tool. Then just fold these to match this edge. This edge over here. So there's going to be a gap like that. It's exactly what we need. Now just match this and this edge and just score it a bit, only halfway till here. Again the same thing, only till here. Why I say only till here is we just need the mark till there. Use a scoring tool and complete that curve. So it has to be like that. Let me draw it with a pencil so that you can see. So I just want that curve. You don't need to draw it, I'm just showing you. Okay, so make the mark nice and crisp. Once you do that, it's going to be easy to fold. You have to fold it all along that curve. And lift it up while you do that and curve. Okay. And what we'll do is staple it at the bottom first. Then adjust the boot. Just check. Yeah, it goes inside neatly. And then you You can even staple it. What I would say is, since we are putting a small cup, we don't need the entire height. So what I'll do is I'll just cut off a little portion from the top. I just want it to be that tall. Okay. Then adjust it. Once you're done with that, you can staple the other side as well. Okay. It's your boot. Now I'm going to change the design slightly. Taken a broader strip of cotton. And I'll tie it up. You can have this to the side or in the front, however you like it. Cut it a little bit longer because we need to insert and make a knot. So I'm just using a quilling needle to just push it inside. There you have it. Once you've tied it, you can just trim the extra. Here you go. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and leave some comments.